Okay, so today is a monumental day. We're starting the interior construction of the garage in earnest. Today is a loft day and also electrical day. Our electrician guy hasn't gotten here yet, but we're here and we're going to start building this loft. We'll try to shoot some film as we go along. Maybe some of it will be interesting to you. Maybe some of it will help one of you guys maybe trying to do a project like this. Should be fun because we don't really know how to do it, but it's okay. Let's see what happens. So we didn't quite get as much as we wanted done because we don't know what we're doing. We had some difficulties. First, working with this wood from trees, not the standard wood, one of the problems is nothing is the same thickness or the same depth, or, and they have bad spots. So it took us a very long time just to figure out how to get these posts, how to get enough wood out of these posts. And then we started working on the loft, and that went pretty quickly, but we made a rookie mistake. We made a jig to separate our joists, 16 inches on center, but when we measured it, we made a mistake, and we didn't check the jig to make sure it was correct. So we built this whole thing, only to find out that we had all our joists in the wrong place, and of course that added tremendous amounts of time. But we do have some of our loft up. It's very nice. So to kind of give you an idea, there'll be a staircase coming up there. So up here, starting right around here, I can't step there, there's nothing there yet, but starting right around here, there will be a wall, and that wall is right here. And it will run all the way to the ceiling, completely enclosing the room, to about here. And so you just have to imagine it, And on it, probably a very lovely and very large neon sign of some kind. Now beyond it, where I cannot step right now, there's an additional 3 feet of space, and there'll be a railing so that we'll be able to come up the stairs, walk across this way, and walk on this side of that wall to be able to go in both directions. And up here in this corner, we'll have some kind of something. I don't know. I was thinking a racing simulator. I don't know, but something here. A little spot for the garage mascot over there. But so this wall, the whole point of this wall here is to hide all of this, because then this very large space back here becomes storage for all the parts for the cars. So it's pretty neat, and you get an interesting look at the place when you look from up here. Here, Jason, let me have the camera. I'll film you for a little while. Let's see. All right, here we go. And this is what it looks like from up here. See that? That's pretty neat, right? So, yeah, very nice. I'm very happy. What do you think, Jason?
I think it's great.
Yeah. So let me get down, and I'll show you some more of what we were able to get done, even though we couldn't finish. We just give this back to Jason. Okay, and let me come down this. Okay. And, all right. Good, you can walk away. Okay, so we got this portion of the loft laid out, as you can see. So you can't really tell because of all that, but the space between the wall and that first post, that's our staircase that's going to be leading up. This area right here will have a door, and this is a storage room again. The wall here will be inset, I'm thinking maybe, don't know yet, but I'm thinking maybe jute box over here. In here, inset a big, beautiful countertop for a diner. Maybe a Coca-Cola refrigerator here. Some trays with ice. Beautiful counter, door leading into the storage. Underneath the counter, things for ice and all that, but also a nice place to hide a very large rolling toolbox so that when we need to do some work on the cars, we can roll it out. And then as you come around through here, this will be an entertainment area. So the seating will actually come out to the limit of the 10-foot space, right? And a nice big TV and, some technology, all that stuff. So we sort of got that laid out. You noticed that while we were doing the woodwork, we had someone here helping us also to do electrical. So we got quite a bit of electrical done. You can see that we have our outlets roughed in all the way around. You can see them. See, there's a a multitude of them. Jason, shoot this way. You can see how many there are along the wall. We got that done too. And on the other side as well, we got all the outlets roughed in. So that's good. So there's still more that has to go in. So these outlets are mainly for trickle chargers. On that side, we have 230 amperes. They're going to go on the outside actually, and they are to power up our 2 mini splits. So we'll have 236K mini splits in here. It'll be more than enough. And eventually, they're going to be powered by solar. It'll be free to heat and cool this place. And we have power up there for the garage doors that we have to still order. Those will be insulated garage doors. But there are still a lot of circuits we have to run in. I want to put a 30 ampere there so we could have a welder or whatever we need. I want to put a big screen TV on the wall here so that when you're sitting in the cars, it could be like, when the cars are facing this way, it could be like a drive-in theater. We need power here, additional power, for the car jackers. There will be 3 or 4 car jackers here. So the cars won't be in this layout, right? The cars here will be running this way. And by having them on car jackers, let's say I have 4 car jackers, I can run 6 cars this way and then lift 4 more. So this will hold 10 cars here. And then another 3 front to back over there. But so we'll still have to bring the electricity for the car jackers. We have to bring electricity for the neon signage. We have to bring electricity for the bar itself. But we'll have to put juice here for the jukebox. So there's still quite a bit more electrical to do. The problem is, we're not engineers. We're not construction guys. We make mistakes constantly. And so we have to kind of work our way to the scenarios. Go along and go, oh, wait a minute. Wouldn't it be nice to have an outlet here for this? Or, But we've got to figure it out because this is a metal building and we're putting in 2 layers of solid foam insulation in this wall, plus a vapor barrier. Now, once you fill this with solid foam, plus sheetrock on the outside, you're not running any more wires in those walls. So we've got to figure it all out in advance. We need to run permanent juice for the lights. The lights will have to be on 2-way switches so that they can be turned off down there and turned on up both those. Same thing with the neon signage, right? When you walk in, you hit the button, everything lights up. If you want to watch TV in the dark, you can kill them from there or from there. So there's still a lot of dreaming about the electrical to do. But we'll get that done. We have to finish the loft. It should have been finished yesterday. And we weren't even able to finish it in yesterday and today. And what happens is, we get really aggravated when we realize we've made a stupid mistake. And then you're so upset that you can't, everything you do, goes to hell. So, but listen, it's a loft, so we can't complain. So that's where we are now. I'm hoping that you guys are beginning to get an idea, a vision of what we're trying to build here. I just want you to imagine something absolutely gorgeous. Don't think of a garage with like grease and junk, and that's not this kind of garage. Just think of a place you really want to hang out in. And that's what we're trying to build. So hopefully we achieve it. Thank you for visiting. Keep coming back. See what happens. Take care.